What's your name?
Burke Green is the last name.
And first name?
Barrington.
Alright. What's your concern here about the intersection of Marshall Drive and Winston Jones Highway?
My concern is that this has been ever since I have my home here, which is almost 20 years now. We have had accidents after people have lost their life. And you just leave the road the same way, you don't make any changes. You have to make some changes. There's a proposal to put traffic light, there's a proposal to put roundabout, there's a proposal to do something, but nothing is done. People's life are more important. People are saying, well, okay, they should obey the laws of the road and everything. Yeah, I agree with that too, but if you realize that the thing is not working, whatever they have in place, make a change, man. People's life more important. People's life more important than anything else. You understand? You have to put the lives of the people. Yes, we understand. People going put something there so the people them not overtake. Overtaking is what causes most of the accidents, right? Come on, man.